Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to this video. In this video, you can watch essay on the topic of rainwater harvesting. Before watching this video, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon button to see more and more videos when I upload the new videos of other topics. Let us see. Rainwater harvesting is one of the most commonly used methods to save water. It refers to storing of rainwater for various uses. The notion behind rainwater harvesting is not to waste the rainwater and prevent it from running off. In other words, it is done to collect rainwater using simple mechanisms. This method is very useful considering the water scarcity that is happening in India. Moreover, rainwater harvesting is so easy that almost anyone can do it. As we know by now, rainwater harvesting is very easy and economical. It must be practiced by people, institutions, organizations, government and private sector agencies. This will also give them a sense of comfort in knowing that they will not have to face water scarcity. Rainwater harvesting is done using two methods. One is surface runoff rainwater harvesting and the other one is rooftop rainwater harvesting. Thus, when we practice rainwater harvesting, it can maintain the level of the groundwater. Moreover, rainwater harvesting prevents water from logging on roads. It also reduces the chances of soil erosion. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, download and share to your friends. Thanks for watching this video.